Welcome back to my YouTube channel Steel Storm Garage. This is the 2026 Volvo XC90, a luxury SUV that blends Scandinavian design, advanced safety, and electrified performance into one elegant family mover. For 2026, the XC90 continues with its mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The B6 mild hybrid offers around 295 horsepower, while the Recharge plug-in hybrid delivers up to 455 horsepower and over 40 miles of electric-only range. The transition between electric and gas is smooth, and power delivery is strong, especially in the Recharge model, which feels quick and refined in both city and highway driving. The ride quality is one of the XC90's strongest points. The optional air suspension soaks up bumps effortlessly, and steering is light but confident. Whether you're cruising in comfort or taking a longer trip, this SUV offers a calm, composed experience for everyone on board. Design-wise, the XC90 doesn't scream for attention, it whispers luxury. The 2026 model refines the formula with a more seamless front grille, updated LED lighting, and subtle changes to the bumper and wheel designs. It still carries that classic Volvo minimalist look, but with a slightly more futuristic edge. Inside, the XC90 is all about simplicity, comfort, and tech. The cabin is filled with soft leather, natural wood, and clean lines. The portrait-style 14.5-inch Google-based infotainment system is intuitive and voice-responsive, offering seamless Google Maps, Assistant, and app integration. A digital gauge cluster, wireless charging, and optional Bowers & Wilkins audio system round out the tech package. It's also practical, with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers. The second row offers sliding and reclining seats, and the third row is usable for adults on short trips, rare in this class. Cargo space is generous, and Volvo includes clever storage details throughout the cabin. Where the XC90 truly leads is safety. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and pilot assist, Volvo's semi-autonomous driving system. It's one of the safest SUVs you can buy, which is no surprise coming from Volvo. The 2026 Volvo XC90 is for those who want premium comfort, cutting-edge safety, and environmentally conscious performance, all wrapped in a clean, timeless design. It doesn't just move people, it moves the standard for what a luxury SUV should be. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.